While accepting sacred water, that is Tirtha in temple, one should chant this shloka. शरीरे जर्जरी भूते व्याधिग्रस्तो कलेबरे औषधम जनवितोयम वैद्यो narayani hari means when the body is filled with disease, sacred water is the medicine. Sri Hari, that is Almighty, is the only doctor who can find the ultimate remedy for the disease. Hi, I'm Dr. Bhagya. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor and spiritual healer associated with Punarnama Sankalpa Panchadharma Center, Bangalore. Today I would like to talk about art of drinking water. Yes, we all drink water to keep ourselves hydrated and maintain good health. The principles of Ayurveda suggest that the way we drink water affects the overall health. It is very important to drink water in right way on right time. As our body is made up of Panchamahabhutas, that is 5 fundamental elements, 70% of our body is formed by Jalatattva, that is water element. Water exists in our body in the form of plasma, cytoplasm, serum, saliva, nasal secretion, cerebrospinal fluid, urine and sweat. It is therefore necessary for absorption of nutrition and maintain life. Without it, our cells cannot survive. According to the book, The Complete Book of Ayurvedic Home Remedies by Vasant Lada, water is the manifestation of consciousness. Water is a chemical energy. That means it is a universal chemical solvent. You can energize your water by one simple technique. Take a glass of water and hold in front of you like this, and close your eyes and make an affirmation like, I am a loving and caring person. I love everyone in the universe. My body and mind are perfectly healthy. I am peaceful, healthy and happy person. And drink that water. And you will start feeling like happy, healthy and peaceful person. This is how you can energize your water in a positive way. In our yogic literature, it is mentioned water as body cleansing agent. Shankha Prakshalana is one of the kriya among the Shad Kriyas mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, our ancient Grantha. It is an advanced and very popular technique that cleans out your entire alimentary canal from mouth to anus. It also cleans your liver, bladder, kidneys, spleen and lymphatic system. So it also helps in weight loss. Okay, so how to do this Shankha Prakshalana Kriya? Take 2 to 3 glasses of lukewarm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt per glass on empty stomach in the morning. It is like mild induced purgation. 1 hour after completing this Shankha Prakshalana Kriya, one should consume completely light food like khichdi. Practice this technique once in a week and get rid of constipation and other health issues. Okay, now I'm going to explain about some of the important tips how to drink water in a right way. So first one is sit down and drink rather than standing. Avoid drinking water while standing as it can cause adverse effects on your kidneys which can lead to arthritis. If you drink water while standing, it brings your nerves into the state of tension. And second one is take in small sips. In Ayurveda, it is recommended to drink water in small sips. It also helps in reducing stress on heart and allows your body to to absorb it in full form. And the third one is drink lukewarm water. That is Ushnodaka in Ayurveda we call, throughout the day, as it enhances your digestive fire and provides good health. And fourth one is don't drink water just before the food or soon after the meals. Because if you drink water just before, soon after the meals, it subsides your jatragni, that is digestive fire, and leads to constipation, which is the root cause of all the health issues. So one should drink water 45 minutes before food and 1 hour after food. So drinking water before food makes a person lean, and after food makes a person obese. So one should drink water between 2 meals. If you need to drink water, if you need to take any liquid soon after your meals, then you can take fruit juice after your breakfast, buttermilk after your lunch, and milk after your dinner. Okay, and last one is drink how much water one should drink. The amount of water one required per day is 8 glasses to keep ourselves hydrated. So drink water when you feel thirsty and listen to your body. Try to listen to your body. Your body shows some signs whether your body is hydrated completely or not. Your dried lips shows you should need to drink more water. And the color of your urine, like dark yellow color, shows you need to drink more water. And light yellow color means you are perfectly hydrated. Okay. So be mindful during drinking water. Water has a memory. So one should be more meaningful while treating water. Thank you.